Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can change your mobile hotspot password on your iPhone. So by changing the mobile hotspot on your iPhone, you can limit someone to connect your personal hotspot. So you can just do this regularly to make sure that your hotspot is safe. First, you just need to open your settings, and the next thing you need to do is just go find this box. It could be coming up in the first line, and the next you just need to tap into this personal hotspot. Now that could be one box that contains allow others to join and Wi-Fi password, and then if you want to change it, just go tap into this Wi-Fi password, and then you just need to delete it and create the new one. And right after you're done, just tap done, and now you already got the new password that no one's known this password. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.